What's going on, guys? The Car Addict back at it again with another video. Today I have another cap that I had just bought actually, and I'm wearing my new cap that I got from C Jeans, J-Tips Subway series. If you haven't seen that video yet, check it out. It's out now. But since then, it's about a week ago, I got another cap. It's just something about these caps that's releasing right now that's really amazing. They have some dope drops. This cap in particular, the one that we got here in this package, is a minor league cap. I was just scrolling around just like usual, and I found this, the only one in my size left. And let's go ahead and open her up, guys. Show you what we got. Bomb. This right here is the Inland Empire 66er Badfish era with the dope eye patch with fish bones, and the front logo here we have a mushroom inside of a sun. IME, Inland Empire, and of course you got the New Era logo and the minor league Betterman, which is actually kind of cool. I like it. Black and yellow here, guys, with a black underbelly of the brim. I think that's how all the minor league stuff comes in as. I will be bending the brim here as well. I just wanted to share with you guys what I got. Inland Empire 66ers minor league cap, black and yellow with the mushroom logo, sun, IME in the front. I think this is just a so dope summer pickup. Yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts. Here it is once again. Let me try it on actually. It looks so weird with the flat brim, but there it is, just to give you guys a look. We will be bending the brim. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my other videos. The Car Addict out. Peace.